Look at this beautiful flower. Papaya tree. That is a papaya tree. May 3 babies to greet them. Female and male. And that's your hand. Ito baka namin to. Oh. Laki oh. Oh. Baka. Inar, okay. Ay, saan? Kangkong. Flower o bulaklak ng kangkong. Oh, ganda.